Welcome, everyone, to our beautiful campus here at the Albany College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. I am President Toyin Tafade, and I am so glad that you're visiting the campus in person. As we have all learned in the last couple of years, technology can be an invaluable tool in connecting us, but nothing compares to taking in the atmosphere of a place in real life. Let me tell you some reasons to come here as a student. We are #1 in New York and #2 in US for the best return on investment. If you forget everything else today, remember we're #1. We're the first pharmacy college in the nation to create a biopharmaceutical manufacturing center. We have the first of its kind manufacturing fellowship with the FDA. We outperform the national average in on-time graduation rate and retention rate. We have a diverse group of students, faculty, and staff, and the class of 2026 included students from 25 states and 9 countries. As you tour the campus, I don't want you to just see pictures online, but I want you to see the state-of-the-art laboratories and other facilities that we provide. Just northwest of the Gazo Student Center, where you're watching this, is a building we acquired this year and are busy renovating, the Life Sciences Innovation Building. It's the new home to our Center for Biopharmaceutical Education and Training, which we call CBET. If you choose to attend ACPHS, and it's a great place, so you should, you will have the opportunity to conduct research there with our corporate partners. Of course, we're also known for our pharmacy education and many other degree programs in the health sciences. But our mission at ACPHS is not only to prepare you for your chosen field. Our mission is bigger than that. It's to educate the next generation of leaders to improve the health of our society. All our students start with basic sciences, math, humanities, and liberal arts. As you progress in your chosen degree, we have exciting experiential learning options. You can get hands-on experience in 2 of our student-run pharmacies that are located in underserved neighborhoods in Albany and nearby Schenectady. We have the Collaboratory, where our pharmacy and public health students work with city residents to educate them about medication use or chronic disease management. We also have faculty that are active in various types of pharmacy practice areas, including Albany Medical Center Hospital across the street and medical specialty offices around the region, where you can learn by doing. Students are actively involved in conducting research as early as their first year. Students in one of our undergraduate classes actually discovered a virus last year from the soil taken in one of Albany's parks. I can't possibly mention all the opportunities we offer in every degree program. So if you are wondering what is special about the program you're considering, ask your student ambassadors today how to get that information. Know that we have faculty and advisors who will help you be successful here. We have created an environment to ensure that you will thrive. In addition to beautiful facilities, you will also see that we have comfortable places to gather with friends, and that's an important part of college life as well. Check out the Panther's Den in this building or the fire pit right outdoors. We have a new outdoor fitness court and a gym for exercise or participating in our athletic program. You will all have a student ambassador to show you around campus today, and I hope you come across other ACPHS students too. They are what make this campus truly special. They are a breed apart. They are serious and dedicated students, curious, enthusiastic, and focused on their goals. But they also take time to support and encourage each other. They prepare for careers in their classes, develop leadership skills in more than 65 student clubs and organizations, and they have fun together. Many build lifelong networks of friends who are pharmacists, researchers, health professionals, doctors, and physician assistants. Our students tell us that they like how well they get to know their professors at ACPHS. With a student-to-faculty ratio of just 7-1, you will not be overlooked in class. This will not likely be the biggest campus you visit. We're a small place where we all get to know each other. We are truly a tight-knit community. Yet, we offer big opportunities and the chance to build your resumes and make connections that will serve you well upon graduation. So, take your tour, explore, ask questions. After you've returned home, when you want to know more, call us back and follow us on social media to get a sense of all that happens here every week. I thank you for visiting us today. It will be my pleasure to see you in person on Accepted Students Day.